Hello, hello. Hello, fam. Ang aga nyo naman. Kala ko mga busy kayo ah. Hindi wala naman. Oo. Wala lang. Kailangan lang natin mag-live. Pero wala naman si Louie naman. Grabe naman sa announcement. Wala namang announcement. May LS ulit ako mamaya. Kaya kailangan ko ng maaga na ngayon. So, kung wala si Kiko, wag nyo nang tawagin. Sabihin nyo for part 2 na lang mamaya. Uy, Tinix! Okay, roll call muna tayo. Chubby, Rashi, Louie. Sino pa nandyan? Bismarck. Teacher Teen, Eileen. Sinong Eileen to? Tabis. Ishe. Lovely. BBG. Bibi! Pangsi! Alisa. Tessie. AJ. Huwag niyo nang tawagin si Kik. Nandito na ba? Hello po. Sorry, sorry, sorry. May mga inayos lang tayo. Okay. Saglit lang. Ayan. Good afternoon, fam. Good morning po and good evening. Sobrang init. Pangslay, thank you so much. Yes, hello po sa inyo lahat. Nag-errands tayo today at kanina biglang umulan tapos biglang sobrang init ulit. Ayun lang, aga nyo rin eh. Ba't ang aga nyo din? May aircon tapos nakatutok pa sa akin yung electric fan pero may pawis pa rin. Magtrabaho muna ang mga nasa trabaho, please. Ang mga kailangan mag-work muna. Ang mga pauwi na galing trabaho, mag-ingat po. Ang mga may lakad, biyahe na. Oo, pwede na po bumiyahe. Anong oras? Sino yung ngayon lang ulit? Ate Lan, sino yung ngayon lang ulit nakapasok ng stream dahil ganito yung oras? Si Aileen. Saan ka Aileen group dati? Welcome ulit sa stream ko, Aileen. Teens! Louie. Tignan niyo yung pawis ko. Na-meet ka na ba namin, Aileen? Bakit yung mga Aileen parang hindi nagpapakita? Pansin nyo? Louie, ingat ka. O baka magkita kayo doon ni Kicks. Wednesday nga pala ngayon, ano? Abby, Alona, Maricel. Wow! Sashi, Alma. Sashi, kamusta na kayo? Hindi na talaga? Magkwento ka naman ng konti, oh. Chat mo naman ako. Ano ba naman yung konting kwento lang, di ba? Magkwento kaya? Konti lang, pahapyaw lang. Teens, 4,600. Ako'y nagulat sa inyo pa, mga aga nyo rin eh. Pero yes, sa mga may ginagawa po, sa mga nasa work pa, balik muna sa mga work. Sa mga nasa labas at lalabas, mag-ingat po. Ate Lan, good morning. Tama ba ako? Good morning na dyan. Mas okay ba sa'yo to, teens, yung oras na ganito? Afternoon na ba? Bibi! Ano oras dyan ngayon? Bibi, thank you. Ang oras dyan ngayon ay... Gabi na. Tanghali na nga dyan, Ate Lan. Hindi, oh. Tinry ko lang ganito oras kasi... Ex-fam! Tinry ko lang ganito oras para naman makapasok si Eileen. Bakit ganun? Bakit parang bawal mag-live ng maaga? Better than 12 midnight. Yung oras ko dito ng live, 12 midnight yan, baby. Tama. Si Eileen, ano? Ano nga yan? Tantrums! Anong oras na dyan? Nagkape, kakatapos ko lang magkape ngayong hapon. Magmerienda ng bibingka. At ngayon ay nakakaantok. Oo. Sarap mag-nap. Pero live tayo. Twelve ng tanghali dyan, Tantrums. Sige, lunch well. 8500. Hindi ko na din maalala kung kailan yung huling live na gantong oras. Kicks and Louie, ingat. Ay, ang dami nangyari ng weekend ng mga nakaraang araw. Yes, and happy tayo. We are so grateful. Aliana! Hi, Aliana. How are you? Always be grateful, Eileen. Yes. Hi, Aliana. Teens. March 5, 2023 ata. Ishe, bakit ka may record? Ano ang meron ng March 23? Louie, pag nagkita kayo ni Kiko, mag-selfie naman kayo. Ate Laling, Noren, Pwede Nix, Pwede Nix. Enjoy lang po dyan. Hiraya, why hapon ang live? User 163, why naman bawal ba? Wala naman, nag-live lang ako ng gantong oras para makapasok kayo. Yung mga hindi pwede mamayang gabi, ngayon sila papasok. So, yung mga hindi naman pwede ngayon at mamaya pwede, kita-kita pa rin tayo mamaya. Di ka sure. Di ka sure. Kinakabahan ako dun Seryoso, Ishe. Siyempre, Hiraya, sabi mong oo muna. Gusto mo. I know na. Bakit mo nga natatandaan, Ishe, anong ginawa ng March 23? Ano meron ng March 23? This year? March 23 this year? March 23, parang... Ano ba ako noon? User 163. Last year yun po. 2024 na ngayon eh. See? Last year pa natin nagawa to. So, kailangan magawa natin to every year. At least once or twice or thrice. Sige, basta sa mga nasa work ngayon, mag-work muna kayo. Sa mga pauwi po, ingat. Sa mga aalis pa lang, ingat. And see you later na lang po ulit. Nakakamiss din yung 1 AM live mo. Kailan ko yun ginawa? Basta meron ako natatandaan, 2 AM na yata ako nag-live nun. Pagkagaling ko ng Lucena. Uy, hindi Grabe naman. Lag ako, lag. Check natin, net natin. Super ba? Hello. Hindi daw lag, mahina lang, sabi ni Tabis. Mahina ba? Dayan, Abby. Hindi naman daw, Tabis. Ano ba naman? Oh, Eileen, mahina nga daw. Ano ba talaga? Jamela. Parang may humahangin sa mata natin talaga. Oo. Ano magandang kantahin ngayong hapon? Init, no? Umulan kanina dito. Pero yung parang bitin. Kaya tuloy parang uminit lalo yung singaw. Ngayon ang init-init. Rachel. House of Fame. Ano yung bagay ngayong hapon? Eileen. Dalawa pala kayong Eileen dyan. Ocean Deep talaga ng 5 p.m. Ano? Secret. O sige. Dalawang Eileen yung nagre-record. Ate Adele. Nabilang mo, Louie, ilan? Ilan, Louie? Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you. I guess I'll thank you. From a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd. Alona. But deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I've been waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. Shadow Man, Blue Heart. Bangsi, nasa work ka pa? Ilang beses nang nag-away hanggang sa magkasakitan, di na alam ang pinagmulan. Pati maliliit na bagay na napag-uusapan, bigla na lang pinag-aawayan. Ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw lang ang gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Thanks, fam. Thank you. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo. Sige, thank you. Walang iba ang gusto kong makasama. Walang iba. Sino ID? Sige, Louie, next natin yan. Next fam, thank you. Nagsimula sa mga asaran hanggang sa magkainitan, isang eksenang bangayan na naman. Ba't ba kasi pinagpipilitan ang hindi maintindihan? Di naman kinakailangan. Ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw lang ang gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Thanks, family. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba ang gusto kong makasama. Walang iba. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Well, thank you. Ang gusto kong makasama. Huwag ka nang mawawala. Mahal kita. Mahal kita? Walang iba. Mahal ko siya. Mahal ko siya eh. Well, thank you so much. Di man araw-araw nang nagtahan, ilang beses na rin tayo umihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi. Jojo. Olds! Whitney, thank you. Louie. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat, Adolf. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. Huwag na paligiran ng ingay at ng gulo. Di ko pagpapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating bilag at ginto, diyaman ay may abuti. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangin kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako palagi. Jojo, labas ka na sa work, Jojo. Sino naman na panis? Aga pa eh. Takbo ako paakyat ng bedroom eh. Yun pala may live stream. Huwag kang takbo ng bigla-bigla kasi baka mapahama ka, lalo na umakit ka ng hagdan, madulas ka, so huwag dapat nagmamadali. May mga bagay na hindi talaga dapat minamadali. Nasaan ka ba, Puitinix? Nasa mataas ka bang lugar? Happy birthday, Ate She! Advance happy birthday, Ate She! Nasa mall. Ate She, I'm sure tulog pa ba si Ate She ngayon? Tulog pa si Ate She. Huwag na muna natin gisingin. Mamaya na. Sa batch 2 na siya mamaya. Nasa work na pala. Okay, Ate She, ingat. Sa mga may work pa, tapusin mo na ang work, fam. Maraming salamat sa mga nakadrop by, sa mga dumaan kanina. Thank you po. Kahit na ibang oras natin, nandyan kayo, naiintindihan niyo ako palagi. Pangslay, thank you! Wala yan, batch 2. Ito si The Secret 888. Ano to? Iba rin to, iba. Iba ka. Louie, mag-ingat. Nasa biyahe ka yata. Louie, nasa labas ka yata. Mag-ingat ka. Teacher Teen. Iba agent. Wow! Anong merienda natin dyan, Puitinix? Ako, bibingka. Saka coffee. Pero, naantok tayo ngayon. Fish balls! Wow, fish balls. Chevy! Nasa work ka pa, Chevy? Home na! Gantong oras na lang ako palagi, Chevy, no? Mark Aguirre, silently watching. Si Jojo, kakapasok lang, Louie. Para luman, Ishe. Sige. Sa unang tingin, agad na nahumaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawari ang taglay mong tinatangi. Sadya namang nakakabighani. Di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking liga. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay. O para luman, ika'y akin ang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasahang paraiso. Paning! Isha, thank you. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Rachel, Isha, thank you. Mga gunita na laging naisip, sumisilip ang itinagda ng mahiwaga. Liwanag na dulot mo, nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang-iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapiling. Sumisiping ang buwan at mga bituin na para bang sumasang-ayon sa atin ng kalawakan. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay. O para luman, ika'y akin ang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasahang paraiso. Random sticker. Ate siya eh. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Ate Sher, thank you. FedEx 6300, hello po. What time nag-start, Eileen? 4 p.m. Hindi ko pala kinakanta yan. Pamela! Uy, ikaw secret 888. 4 o'clock po. Grabe ka. Hindi, hanggang mamaya na to, Jojo. Baliktad ngayon hanggang 10. Para luman, kaya kinang dadalhin sa di mo inasang paraiso. Palagi kitang aawitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Habang may buhay, may pag-as. Pag-as. May pag-as. May pag-as. Nakakamiss yung mga gas campaign natin dito sa Kumu, no? May pag-as. $6,100. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Stitches and burns. After nito, sige. Ano daw? Ano sabi? Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. Talaga. And if the universe comes by to build a lot to make us fuel and fire, you know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. From
was so hard, but love was all that we were on. We belong. And though the world would never understand, this unlikely union, why it still stands. Someday we will be set free and believe. When the light disappears, and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here. Lumabas. Tingin ko nasa labas ka. Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears, wounded heart. When the light disappears, and when this world is sincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here. In my arms, through the long cold night, sleep tight. You'll be safe here. When no one understands, I'll believe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. Ay, Linda, BBG. In my heart, in my hands, you'll be safe here. Sino nag-request ito? BBG, kamusta? People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. Yes, ano po yun? At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, a drifting cloud, silent dreaming. With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg, darling, please pray. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Pray. Take good care of all those things that we have. Sherifa, I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Wala. When I met you, tulog pa. Sobrang aga pa. Bro, GP. Teens. Sleep pa po.
See you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to. And if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Honey. Yes, bro. Tapos ka na sa work mo, secret identity. Nag-work ka pala, secret identity. Hindi ko ramdam. Thank you, fam. Thank you so much. Pangsi, thank you. Eileen, thank you.
There's friends in your eyes that color them a wonderful. Stop me, you're still in my prayer. Emeralds from mountains, trust toward the sky, never revealing the depth. And tell me that we belong together. Dress it up with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated. I'll hang it from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that came from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be your love suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest is alive, not dead. And tell me that we belong together. Dress it up with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated. I'll hang it from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be a love suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your love. Then I dropped out, I burned up, I fought my way back from the dead. Tune in, turn on, remember the thing that you said. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be a love suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.
Ate Adele sa Taiwan. Ngayon lang. Be safe. Keep safe, Ate Adele. Pati kay Carol. Pati kay Carol. Ingat po. Thank you, Eileen. Chase 4. Silently, hindi ko alam yan. Parang di ko rin alam ang Only Love. 6,300. Seryoso, Only Love? Chevy, Jenny! Jenny, di pa pala kita nababalikan. Babalikan kita, Jenny. Wala ka ng work din, Jenny, ngayon? Si Chevy daw kakalabas lang sa work.
Greatest fan of your love.
And house na. Jenny, Chevy, thank you. Jenny, Chevy, thank you. Mas gusto niyo ba yung gantong oras na live? Out of my league. Out of my league na kalmado version, Chetty pa. Pwede din. Pwede din. Mas okay na yung ganitong oras. Talaga. Si Secret 888 ang susundin natin. Okay, so baba to.
It's a hair in her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared
Okay lang in March.
as she thoughtfully comes to a hand. And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me. Sitting there lockjawed and nothing to say. Cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes along with my hands. Cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need. And I'm out of my league once again.
Ate siya, thank you. Eileen.
It's a masterful melody when she calls out my name to me. As the world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling. But it's no surprise, cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes along with my head. Cause it's frightening to be swimming in the strange sea. But I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need. And I'm out of my league once again.
Awit ng barkada. Antrums. Awit ng barkada. Antrums ba yun? Yes.
It's a hair in her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully comes to her head. And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me. Sitting there lockjaw and nothing to say. Cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes along with my head. Cause it's frightening to be swimming in the strange sea. But I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need. And I'm out of my league once again.
Nakauwi ka na, Jojo. Awit ng barkada. Tantrums, try natin tong awit ng barkada.
Nakasimangot ka na lang palagi.
Parang di maganda yung very karaoke yun.
Nakasimangot ka na lang palagi.
Wala naman. Desi.
Nakasimangot ka na lang palagi. Parang ikaw lang ang nagmamay-ari ng lahat ng sama ng loob.
Tama ba, Tantrums?
Pagmumukha mo ay hindi maipinta. Kalimutan mo na bang tumawa? Sumasayad na ang muso mo sa lupa.
Tama ba?
Kahit sino pa man ang may kagagawa ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandirito kami, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo.
Thank you.
Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo.
Tantrums, thank you. Talaga, Desi?
Kung sa pag-ibig may pinag-awayan, kung sa labi ay wag nang pag-usapan, tayo'y di nagbibilangan. Ang mga utang di na babayaran, lahat ng bagay ay nadadaan sa usapan.
Kurik.
Kahit sino pa man ang may kagagawa ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandirito kami, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo, kasama mo, kasama mo.
Di ko na to alam.
Bawat sa iyo ay may nakalaan, kami asahan at huwag kalimutan. Maging ito ay madalas o minsan, pagkat iba na nga ang may pinagsamahan.
Tama ba?
Kahit sino pa man na may kagagawa ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandirito kami, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo, kasama mo,
Yan.
kasama mo. Lift your hand, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win on everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause the rain don't need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all the doors, they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. We'll get by. with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a one in love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You got along with a little prayer and a song. Terrified.
Art. Ano siya?
In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a one in love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You got along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head up. Yeah, Nabi. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those days goodbye.
Rika. Ikaw lang ang word ngayon. Ano oras dyan? Tanghali. Oh, Wednesday. Thank you, fam. Kian. Porny! Hi, Destiny.
Uulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. Kahit kailanman hindi magbabago. Ikaw ang laging hanap na mawalay ka kahit sandali sa aking piling. Kahit buksan pa ang dibdib ko, matatagpo ay larawan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala na nang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala na ngang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa.
Cariz. Thank you. Thank you, Cariz.
I'm only one call away.
I miss you 143.
You, by the light, is the greatest fun in the world full of wrong. You're the thing that's right. Finally made it through the lonely to the other side. Banksy, thank you. You said it again, my heart's emotion. Every word feels like a shooting star, right? Edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my only life.
Shit, Raya. I miss you 143. Thank you, fam.
And this could be good, it's already better than that. And nothing's worse than knowing you're holding back. I could be all that you needed if you let me try. You said it again, my heart's emotion. Every word feels like a shooting star of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I am in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my only. I only said it 'cause I mean it. I only mean it 'cause it's true. So don't you doubt what I've been dreaming, 'cause it fills me up and holds me close whenever I'm without you. You said it again, my heart's in motion. feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own life. Alive in my own life.
Ayan, Abby. Brian Claudio. Thank you, fam.
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be. Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close,
Chinky.
but so far all I have are dreams of you.
What's up, bro?
So I'll wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be. Here in my room, dreaming about you and me.
Thank you, fam. Raya, Isha, anyone. Thank you. My destiny. Thank you, fam. Abby. Marcel.
When all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I still can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you, I love you too. Now I'm dreaming with you tonight till tomorrow. And for all of my life, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be. Here in my room, dreaming with you endlessly. With you tonight.
Yes, Aislinn, ano yun? Abby, thank you so much, fam. Salamat po. 7,100. Mm, Dark Zone. Bepenoy. Regular naman po. Iba-iba nga lang ng oras. Kapit, kapit. Kapit.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around in your arthritis suspend. Oh, all I wanna do is grow old with you. I get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build your fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes. Could you had too much to drink? Oh, I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow old with you.
Fam, kita-kits ulit tayo bukas. Mamaya pala.
Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you.
Riga.
So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to make. I think we're gonna meet sometime. And it's telling me it might be you. Oh, it's you.
Right.
telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it will just be you all of my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life.
Eggs pa, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Pangslay, thank you. Thank you, Pangsi. Eggs Spam! Salamat po. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ako makasigaw masyado, masira yung voice. Araw-araw pa naman ako magla-live ngayon. For the everyday life is coming. Every day, twice a day? Huwe? Maganda yung song na Think of Aliyah or Think of Laura. Alam niyo yun?
Aliyah, where are you now? You turn the days around, girl with those eyes into.
Grabe naman yung Gen Z Poetiniks natin. Hindi alam yung mga classic songs. Ang mga naabutan na ni Poetiniks, mga Chapel Roan eh. Mga Sabrina Carpentry na yung naabutan yan eh. Sabrina Carpentry. Gusto mo yun? Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Later ulit, Think of Laura. Taas yan Ate She eh. Alam mo yun Ate She? Namimiss ko na ang Italy, Ate She. When kaya ulit? Parang gusto kong pumunta sa Lake Como.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso.
Nalulungkot ako sa kantang to. May dami ko naalala. Wow. Taas.
As you smile, still my day around. Girl with those eyes, sit through the love.
pangit. Okay.
Aaliyah, where are you now?
Angel baby.
Summer maganda pumunta sa Capri. Ang init eh. Parang ayoko ng summer.
Aaliyah.
Yun nga lang eh. Pero di ba kahit summer malamig yung tubig dyan? Punta ka Bohol, daming beach doon. Galing na ako eh.
Every once in a while.
Saan ka naligo? Sa beach? Iloilo na. Di pa ako nakakapag-Iloilo. Nakapag-Iloilo na ba ako? Alam ko hindi pa eh.
Every once in a while.
See you later, fa. Maraming salamat po.
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind down to my soul.
Yes, nakapunta na ng Pagudpod. Grabe yan. Inano namin yan, Byland. Imagine niyo yun. From Lucena to Manila. 3-4 hours, ganyan. Tapos Manila to Ilocos Sur. 10 hours. Naubos na lang talaga yung araw sa pagbiyahe. Para total of 15 to 16. More pa. Aileen, maraming salamat. Thank you. Mag-ingat ka. Dapat doon 1 week. Kaya nga, pag-ibabaylan ko. Alright. Try natin to. Alam niyo ba to? For sure alam niyo. Try lang natin. Yes, tama.
We could live the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place, we make the rules. And there's dazzling hits and mysterious way about you too. Haven't known you 20 seconds or 20 years. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever and now? Take me out, take me home. You're mine, 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 lover.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I love you 3 times summer now, honey, but I want it more. And I go where you go. Can we always be this close forever and ever and now? Take me out, take me home. You're mine, 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 like this magnetic force of a meant to be mine. Lover, my heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. All's well that ends well to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to mine. Lover.
Thank you so much, fam. See you later. See you later.
Where you go, can we always keep this close forever and ever? And I take me home. You're mine, 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 mine. Oh, you're mine, 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 mine. Darling, you're mine, 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 mine. Lover.
Thank you so much, fam. Ano sa daw sabi? So mamaya ka na ba mag-your love? Mag-your love pa rin tayo ngayon. Siyempre, ano na natin yun? Ritual na natin. Talaga ba, Torny? Torny! Talaga ba, Torny?
And I go where you go.
Thank you, fam. Salamat po. Ano na naman yung Jojo? Alin ang parang hindi? Malalaman mo na lang if mag-show up. Hehe. May hehe pa siya eh.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. Through my mind down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
Good night na ba? Hindi ba?
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
Acoustic nga ngayon eh. Mamaya yung original version, sabi ni May. Ito lang muna for you para before dinner. Happy dinner, fam. Good morning sa mga bagong gising po. Raya, Jenny, Chevy, thank you.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true.
Jojo, i-sure mo na muna yan.
In my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you. Days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Fam, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Jojo, I miss you 143. Chevy, Jenny, Silently, Swanky, Rika, Anyone, Isha, Maricel, Eileen 8500, Bibi Maria, Iraya, Putinix, The Secret, Tantrums, Diane Abby, Atisha, Cariz, The One Things, Bangsley, my X fam, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Mer fam. Sa lahat po na sumama. Ngayon, see you later po. See you later, Andrea. Okay lang, Andrea. Mamaya magkita tayo ulit, 10 p.m.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Thank you, fam. Maraming salamat po. Good night. Good night. Agad naman. Happy lunch? Happy dinner. 12, fam. Maraming salamat po. See you later. Thank you, thank you.